Good morning, Tom. Wake up, my dear.
Good morning, Mom. Is it morning already?
Yes, it is. The sun is up.
I had a nice dream.
That's lovely. Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom. I slept very well.
Today feels like a happy day.
I'm glad to hear that. Every day is a good day to learn something new.
First, let's brush your teeth.
Okay, Mom. Brush slowly and carefully.
I am brushing up and down.
Very good. Don't forget to rinse your mouth.
Mom, my face feels fresh.
That's because you washed it well. Here are your clothes for today.
Thank you, Mom.
Put on your shirt and pants.
Mom, can I wear my blue shirt?
Yes, blue looks nice on you.
I like blue. It's my favorite color.
Sit down, Tom. It's breakfast time.
I'm hungry.
Can I have the eggs and the toast, please?
Would you like milk or juice with that?
Juice, please.
Milk, please.
Here you go.
Mom, your cooking is very good.
Thank you, Tom. Eat well and grow strong.
Mom, can I help you?
Of course. Please put your plate in the sink.
Okay.
Good job, Tom. I like helping you. Tom, what do you want to do today?
I want to study English and draw pictures.
That sounds great.
Can we read a story too?
Yes, we can read a story later.
I love learning with you, Mom.
And I love teaching you. Tom, are you ready to study English now?
Yes, Mom. I like English.
That's wonderful. Sit here, please.
Okay.
Mom, why do we study English every day?
Because practice helps you learn better. When you practice daily, English becomes easy.
I want to speak English very well.
And you will, Tom, step by step. Let's start with some easy words. Repeat after me.
Okay, Mom.
Apple,
Apple,
book,
book,
chair.
chair,
This is a table.
table,
This is a window.
window. Mom, English words are everywhere.
Yes, English is all around you.
Now let's make short sentences.
Okay.
Say, this is a book.
This is a book.
Very good. Now say, I like apples.
I like apples.
Excellent.
Mom, listen to me. I can speak English.
Yes, you can. You are doing great. Let's draw and learn.
I love drawing.
What is this?
This is a cat.
Good. What color is the cat?
The cat is black.
Perfect sentence.
This is my house.
That's a nice house. Now let's count together.
1,
2, 3,
3,
4.
4, 5.
You are learning numbers very well.
I like counting. It's fun.
Let's read a short story.
Yes, please.
This is a dog. The dog is happy.
The dog is happy.
Good reading, Tom.
Mom, the dog is like me. I am happy too.
Yes, you are. Let's take a short break. Okay, can I drink some water? Of course.
Mom, I see a bird.
What color is the bird?
The bird is brown.
Very good English. Tom, you studied very well today.
Thank you, Mom.
Now it's playtime.
Yay! I love playtime.
What do you want to play with?
I want to play with my toy cars.
That sounds fun. Let's sit on the mat.
Mom, this is my red car.
It's very nice.
The red car is fast.
Is the blue car fast too?
No, the blue car is slow. The car is going up.
Good sentence.
The car is going down.
Excellent.
Tom, ask me a question. Okay, Mom, what color is your car? My car is white.
I like white cars.
Now I will ask you, what is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my red car
Why do you like it?
because it is fast.
Let's sing an English song.
Yes, I like songs.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
I am happy. I can see that.
Let's sing the ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Great job, Tom.
English songs are fun. Mom, this is Teddy.
Hello, Teddy.
Teddy is my friend.
What does Teddy like?
Teddy likes milk and cookies.
Let's play a small game. What game? I will say an action. You do it. Jump. Sit. Clap. This game is fun. And you are learning English while playing. Tom, are you hungry?
Yes, Mom, I feel hungry.
Let's have a snack together.
Yay!
Here you are, an apple and some biscuits.
Thank you, Mom.
Do you want milk or juice?
Juice, please.
Apple juice?
Yes, please. Mom, the apple is sweet.
Apples are good for your health.
I like healthy food.
Mom, what do you like to eat? I like rice and vegetables. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. I like apples too.
We like the same food. Tom, what is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is biscuits and milk.
That's a good choice.
Mom, come here.
What do you see, Tom?
I see children playing outside.
What are they doing?
They are running and laughing.
It looks fun.
Yes. I want to play outside too.
We can go outside later.
Really?
Yes, after we rest a little.
Okay, Mom.
Now let's have quiet time.
What is quiet time?
We sit calmly and read a book.
I like storybooks.
This story is about a little cat.
I like cats.
The cat is small. The cat is happy. The cat is happy. Good reading.
Mom, why is the cat happy?
Because it has food and a warm home.
I am happy too. I have food and a home.
Yes, Tom, you are very lucky.
Tom, how do you feel now? I feel calm and happy.
Why do you feel calm?
Because I ate my snack and listened to a story.
That's very good thinking.
Tom, let's clean the table.
I can help.
Please take your plate to the sink.
Okay.
Mom, I did it. Well done. You are very helpful. I like helping you, Mom. It's afternoon now.
What do we do in the afternoon?
We rest, read, and sometimes go outside.
I like afternoons. They are quiet.
Tom, are you ready to go outside?
Yes, Mom, I am ready.
Put on your shoes, please.
Okay. Mom, where are we going?
We are going to the park near our house.
I like the park. Mom, I see many trees.
Yes, the trees are tall and green.
I see flowers too.
What color are the flowers?
They are red and yellow.
Can I play on the slide?
Yes, but be careful.
I will be careful. I am going up.
Good sentence.
I am sliding down.
Very good.
Mom, can I talk to him?
Yes, you can.
Hello, my name is Tom.
Hello, my name is Ben.
Nice to meet you, Ben.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you want to play with me?
Yes, I do.
Ben, do you want the ball? Yes, please. Here you are. Thank you. You're welcome.
Tom, you are very polite.
Thank you, Mom. Tom, look at the sky. The sky is orange and pink. It is evening now. Evening is beautiful. It's time to go home.
Okay, Mom.
Mom, I had fun today.
I'm happy to hear that.
I played and spoke English.
Yes, you did very well. Time for dinner, sweetie. Don't forget to wash your hands.
Okay, Mom.
What is for dinner?
We are having rice, chicken, and vegetables.
Yummy! I like chicken.
Dinner will be ready soon. I can help set the table. That's very nice of you.
Tom, dinner is ready.
I'm coming, Mom.
Please sit at the table.
Okay. Mom, the food looks yummy. Thank you. Let's eat together. Can I have some chicken, please? Yes, of course.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Tom, how was your day?
My day was great.
What did you do today?
I studied English, played at home, went to the park, and met a friend.
That sounds like a wonderful day.
What is your favorite food? My favorite food is chicken and rice. Do you like vegetables? Yes, I do. Vegetables are healthy. Very good.
Please eat slowly.
Okay, Mom. I finished my food.
Good job. Please take your plate to the sink.
I can do it, Mom.
I did it!
Well done, Tom. Thank you for helping.
I like helping you.
Tom, it's bedtime now.
Okay, Mom.
Brush your teeth, please.
I am brushing my teeth.
Wash your face.
I am washing my face.
Mom, I am ready for bed. Very good.
Do you want a bedtime story?
Yes, please.
This story is about a little boy and his happy day.
The boy learns, plays, and smiles. He is like me. Yes, he is. Tom, how do you feel now? I feel sleepy and happy. Why are you happy? Because I had a fun day and spoke English. I'm very proud of you.
Good night, sweetie. Sleep tight.
I love you, Mom.